Hi guys, we're doing tribal sewing tutorial here. Okay, so we're gonna start with the scarves, and we have 3 different colors of scarves. There's 2 of each color. Angie has the other turquoise on. The first thing that needs to happen is the scarves come out. She can choreograph, but she cannot open a plastic bag. Okay, so they are square, and basically they're going to be cut in half this way. So pretty much you're going to put them out on the table, which by the way you're going to be using downstairs, not up here, although I think up here is available. So I don't know, whichever room is better. You're going to cut it diagonally. Then you have to roll it, you have to pin it. Obviously, you turn it under twice, and twice means like this. Pretend this is the raw edge, you turn it here, you turn it again. Of course, you would do it this way, right? You do it on this side. Turn it, then turn it again, you pin it, and then the people with the sewing machine would sew it in either turquoise, fuchsia, or purple. And you're gonna be sewing along this raw edge, turning the raw edge under, so that each person then has a scarf that's single, not doubled up. Okay, so we've got that. Let's take this and pretend that it is already sewn, and it is a half. Okay, so ish. There we go. What's next on the list? Okay, the scarves are hemmed. So the next thing is that the pom-pom assembly has to happen. The pom-pom assembly is, we need people to make pom-poms. So let's get come on over here. We have 4 different colors of, oh, by the way, here's a pom-pom. Okay, so here's a pom-pom. I had to fool around with different widths. Basically what I did, I did bring, I have a whole bunch of these, so you can use them if you don't want to use your fingers, but the easiest way is just wrap the yarn. And then, so how much wrapped around? Like that much. Then after you wrap it around, you cut it, and then you take a little bit and you tie it. And essentially, it doesn't have to look like it shouldn't look like a round pom-pom. I think we want it more like this type of thing. So we know for sure that we need 33 gold ones, because everybody's gonna get 3, and where they're gonna go. Okay, so it starts with, come on over here. We've got these, let's just open one here. We've got all these tassels, okay? So these tassel cords need to be cut in half. You're gonna end up with a ton that you don't need. In some cases, so there's basically, everybody's gonna get, everybody's going to get 7 tassels. Everybody should have a gold tassel for sure. Everybody for sure should have a gold tassel here. The tassel should come to the end of the scarf. Probably not hanging lower, because then it would be too low. But please note that, the tassels are going to have to be shortened. So there's a combination of a tassel with a pom-pom. Now everybody's going to have a gold tassel and pom-pom here, and then you're going to have 7 different cords, and we can randomly put these together. So there's going to be one here. Let's open this up so you get a visual on it. There's going to be one here, and then there's going to be one here. So everybody gets 7, and see, you're going to be cutting off a lot of stuff. So and then same on the other side. So 1, and then 3 on each side. We are going to attach a tassel here, and a tassel here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Basically, here's the pattern, and this is an even clearer one right here. So you can see that there's 7, and you'll get, that one will be gold for everybody, and this one will be gold for everybody, and this one will be gold for everybody. So the pom-poms will be gold. This tassel here has to be gold, but I don't care what color these 2 tassels are at the end. Now, mind you also, so there's a nice arrangement of, pom-poms. So it's gonna be pom-pom here, there's gonna be another pom-pom up here, so they will sort of intersperse, and then these 2 will just have pom-poms at the bottom, I mean, I think it would be nice if you kind of did it like this so that you could see the bottom tassel. It's just, they're crazy colors. They're a little bit of crazy colors. And these are crazy, and the whole thing's crazy. It'll be easy, obviously, to sew. You're gonna have to sew these on to here and somehow sew them into the braid here. And I'm gonna leave that to the group wisdom as to how that happens. What else do I need to say, Angie? What am I missing? Oh, the trim, the beautiful trim. So here's the beautiful trim. The good news about the beautiful trim is that it's beautiful trim, and it really has pretty much our colors in it. Purple, and there's fuchsia in there, and there's a green, so it works with the, but here's the bad news. Everybody gets 32 inches of the beautiful trim. So that's about this much. And maybe that's enough to, that might be enough to just, it's not enough, is it? Let's just see. I'm gonna grab the 32 measurement here and see if Angie and I meant to do this. Okay. So yeah, so this is 50 inches. So 32 inches would be like 10, yeah, from here to here. Could work. Could almost work.
Actually, that seems to guide the tassels too.
Yeah, it kind of works. I mean, right? How does that work? I don't even understand how that works. Does this pull? Oh, it pulls. I think you were pulling it. So, yeah, so that's what's going on. Okay, well, so I would say, so we're gonna center 32 inches of this after you've hemmed it and sew it on. So it'll need 2 seams, but you need to have these in place before you sew these because the tassels need to be sewn by machine underneath the scarf. So, and then what are we gonna do at the ends? If we need to, and we may not need to, we will put more gross grain ribbon here, but we may not need to. We may just use this and let it be what it is. I originally ordered 12 yards, or 12 meters, and then they only, after I paid for it, they said, oh, we only have 9. So I liked it, so we went with it. This one has taken a lot of planning, as you can see. So what do we have? We have the scarves. Okay, we have the trim. We talked about the trim. Here's the little diagram. Trim gets put in the middle. Put the cords under the trim, not over the trim. And then we'll get gross grain ribbon later. I think we've gone over everything here. Got that, we got that. If somebody wants to come up with a creative way to arrange the tassels, somebody who has a very nitpicky brain would be a good person to nominate. I couldn't, with all the other thinking I'm doing, I couldn't come up with a brilliant idea. I do know I want the end to be gold here, the end to be gold here, that one to be gold. These are gold pom-poms, gold tassel in the middle for sure. The rest of it is up to you guys. Figure out something that makes sense. I think that's it. I think that's it for the tribal sewing. On to 9/8. Thanks, guys. Good luck. Have fun. And whatever is not done, we're going to finish next Sunday between 10 and 1. Bring in everything you've done. And I also have, I've labeled, you all have your own bags with your names on it. So this is for tribal. I don't have them for 9/8, even though I should really have it for 9/8. Thanks.